In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do camera tracking in Blender as a complete beginner. If you've ever wanted to add 3D objects into real-life footage and make them stick realistically into your scene, then this video is for you. We'll go step by step through importing footage, tracking the camera movement, solving the camera motion, and placing 3D objects into your video. Let's get started. Screencast keys has been turned on at the bottom left of the screen to help you follow along. Click on the plus sign at the top. VFX, Motion Tracking. This opens our motion tracking workspace. Click on Open to import your footage. Next, click on Set Scene Frames to set the number of frames to that of the video. Click on Prefetch to load the video into your scene. Next is to select Detect Features. What this does is, it selects high contrast areas of your video and adds tracking markers on the video to help with the tracking. Reduce the threshold down to select more areas. Now click on this button to track forward. Click Detect Features again and track backward. The reason for this is because certain areas in the video are out of view at different times, so we have to perform Detect Feature on those hidden areas at different points in the video. Let's move our play head in the middle and detect features. Track backwards. Bring it back to the middle and track forward. Let's expand this area. These wavy lines you see here were created by the tracking makers. A good tracking maker creates a straight line from left to right. Zigzag lines means bad tracking. We would have to delete those lines. First, let's disable these inactive trackers in red. Press Alt-D to disable them. Now let's delete those lines. I will speed up this process. Next, let's go to Solve, and click Solve Camera Motion. We have a solve error of 0.58, which is good. Basically anything 0.5 or below is great. If you have a solve error value higher than this, click on Cleanup and select Clean Tracks. Now increase the value to select few tracks that are unstable. Hit X on the keyboard and delete. Let's check our solve error now. The number has now reduced, which is great. Now click on Setup Tracking Scene. This opens a window at the top right corner with a cube and a plane. The position of the cube and plane is off. Let's fix this. Select 3 of the tracker on the floor and select Floor, to tell Blender which area is our floor. Select one of the tracker to set our origin. Let's fix the scale. Select 2 of the point and click Set Scale. Scale too big. Let's give it a distance of 5.5 and click Set Scale. This value might be different in your case. Let's position our cube well so it sits on the plane. As you can see, our cube and plane is tracked to the scene. Let's switch to layout. Select the camera and increase the opacity. Let's switch to cycles and set film to transparent. Let's add an HDRI to light up our scene. Let's delete our cube and import our 3D model to our scene. Adjusting the position. For some reason our plane isn't acting as a shadow catcher. Let's delete and add a new one. Works now. You can import any other 3D models and even animation to the scene now. Follow these steps to save out the animation files. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.